Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Infiniti G35 headlight. First, gather your tools: a 10 mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and your new headlight bulb. Make sure your car is completely off and the engine has cooled down. Wearing gloves is a good idea to keep your hands clean and avoid touching the new bulb directly, which can extend its life. Next, you'll need to access the headlight assembly. Start by carefully removing the plastic clips and screws that hold the front bumper in place. Once these are out, gently pull the bumper cover forward just enough to reveal the headlight. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors that might be attached to the bumper itself, giving you more room to work. Now it's time to replace the bulb. You'll find a few bolts securing the entire headlight assembly. Use your 10 mm socket to remove them. Once the assembly is loose, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Carefully twist and pull out the old bulb, then insert the new one. Be sure not to touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb, ensuring it's snug. Then, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its position and secure it with the bolts you removed earlier. Finish by reattaching the front bumper, making sure all the clips and screws are firmly in place for a secure fit. Test your new headlight to ensure it works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.